In uterus, contractions speed sperm toward fallopian tubes in 1 to 2 hours.
Sperm reach cervix. Mucus acts as pathway during fertile window.
Sperm cross uterus, evading white blood cells, heading to tubes. Sperm enters vagina, where acid destroys many. Only toughest sperm survive vagina's harsh acid and move towards cervix. Blastocyst embeds in uterus lining, starting pregnancy.
The decidual cells transform, rich with vacuoles, while the spiral arteries dilate dramatically.
Sperm swim through cervix canal using tail whips and mucus support, taking 30 minutes. The blastocyst attaches to the uterine wall, a process called implantation.
The blastocyst travels down the fallopian tube, searching for a place on the uterine wall where it can attach to begin to grow.
The dividing cells now form a blastocyst, preparing to attach to the uterine wall for implantation.
Implantation begins as the blastocyst makes contact with the endometrium, the specialized lining of the uterus, and starts to burrow inward.
The culmination of a delicate journey, the blastocyst gently adheres to the uterine wall, marking the beginning of implantation. A blastocyst develops, with the inner cell mass ready to form the embryo.
As the zygote continues to divide, a hollow ball of cells forms that. This is the blastocyst, the earliest.
We now witness the remarkable process of the first cleavage division, where a single zygote meticulously prepares to divide.
This is the dawn of a new life. The blastocyst, guided by intricate biological signals. The journey begins as millions of sperm race towards the ovum. Once fertilized,